Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very fine. Myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss all about the medical writing. Medical writing is one of the best career opportunity in the industry. In pharma student and medical science students can build the career in this field, but make sure that you have the required skill set and knowledge as well, because this field is in regulatory there is writing, in scientific writing is again one term, then and also literature writing is there, then safety writing is there, medical marketing writing is there. So most of the time in the clinical trial all fields the medical writing field is there, and again in case of the journal publications as well, the people who are involved in the writing, that are the medical writers, and hence you need to have a strong knowledge in the medical field, medical science field, and hence the people from those interests can build the good career in the medical writing field. The companies are also lot of companies like CROs like Fortria, like IQL, like Paraxel, like Syneos, or in IT field like Wipro, TCS, Cognizant, they are also providing opportunities. So opportunities are again there, but at the same time you need to have this information like the guidelines related to the technical skills as well, and strong knowledge of the medical science. Okay, this is the required for the medical writing. For that reason we launched 2-month certification course in the medical writing, where you will got all information which is exactly required in the industry with the placement support. So let's begin. In this video I am going to talk about our 2-month certification course in medical writing. First I will tell you the schedule. Okay, so this course will be for 2 months. The course will start from 5 April 2026. The days will be Saturday and Sunday. It is a weekend batch and 2 months it will be conducted. Now we will discuss about the syllabus. So it includes technical aspect of medical writing, drug discovery and development, introduction to clinical research, ICH guidelines and CTD module. Then next ICH, basics of statistics and research methodology. Then introduction to style guideline, grammars and scientific language. Then hands-on activities related to the style guide. Then introduction to narrative writing and hands-on exercises. Then introduction to publication writing, systemic literature review and meta-analysis. Then decoding clinical study protocol, then clinical study reports and hands-on activities. So this course will provide lot of benefits. First one is hands-on exercises. On different writing we are going to provide raw data and accordingly you can write. Then the next one, complete domain knowledge, which is exactly required to get opportunity in the medical writing. Next one about the skill development sessions. Then like resume preparation, interview preparations are there. Then placement assistance. Of course we are providing all the opportunities pan India where there is an opportunity, and then accordingly we will prepare you as well. So who is eligible for this course? Pharma students like B Pharm, M Pharm, then medical science like BMS, BHMS, MBBS, MD, any, then MSc students. So these are eligible candidate. So how to enroll? What are the fees? The fees for this course is 7,999. Yes, 7,999 is the fee, but 2 installment we are providing of the 4,000 each. But if you wish to pay one time, the fees will be 6,999. So how to pay, how to enroll? In the description I provided the Resume link. Just click over there and you can pay. Otherwise you can pay online to this number. This is our official contact number 9423272876. Once you pay the fee, just share your name, email, qualification, location to the same number on WhatsApp. You will get email confirmation and we will add it in the class group before the class will be started. So this is the simple procedure. But if you want to know more about this, just fill the Google form given in the description, or you can call to this number. This is our student coordinator number. Okay, that's it all about the announcement of the medical writing certification course. I hope you completely understood. You still have any query, communicate with us. We will happy to help you. But don't forget to get opportunity in the medical writing and learning related to the industry requirement. Okay, so this course is all about the persons who wish to enter in the medical writing domain. If you like this announcement, if you like the content, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the best.